Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see, here we have RVNC. This is Revance Therapeutics. So I think that this is in the electric sector, but electricity sector or something like that. I may be just talking nonsense right now, but it's up around 18.60%. Okay, yeah, cool, quite a lot up today. Now, what I'm gonna do is just give you guys a quick top-down analysis and my own thoughts about this thing. But overall, we can see that even if I go on the 3 month chart, we only have consolidations in here from 2015. Like we only got this break right here on this 3 month chart. Then we never actually got a break. We're topping into here. Are we actually going to be continuing to break through these lows? We are going to see because there's a bunch of liquidity there. But now, if we come to these time frame, like for example, um, so we made these, and we broke higher, and we broke bearish. Right? So we were tapping something into there. More likely now we might be going to those $9 marks, but for right now, I do see a big beautiful bullishness. Right? Let's go to the weekly, and I'm actually gonna go to my actual layout. Okay, so RVNC, here we have it. And from the weekly time frame perspective, I can see this thing actually even just kind of moving up a little bit to the upside. Like I mean, we do see the momentum. We were sitting at $11 some at the start of the summer, and then we are at $24, $25 right now. And what can we see was we just broke here and here. Then we broke the low there. We broke bullish. Then did we break bearish? Yeah, we break bearish. We broke bearish there. But now we broke bullish multiple times. So yeah, I'm definitely looking for upside moves.